Hello, this is James Gregson with Gregson Studios, and we've teamed up with the team at VFX Creates, and we're going to introduce you to our flagship training course. This is agency quality WordPress video training developed by myself, James Gregson of Gregson Studios, that shows all of our tools, techniques, resources, and divulges industry secrets that for years we've kept as in-house information only for our team members and a few high-ticket clients. This training was developed for haunt and attraction owners, businesses looking to market a new haunt, WordPress enthusiasts, anyone looking to learn WordPress, independent freelancers, people who want to start their own WordPress and web design service business. This training and extended set of packages has been customized specifically for the haunt industry. If you would like to take control over your website and maintain control over the website, save thousands of dollars, or even make some serious money, this is the perfect course for you. In the courses and the resources, I will take you from scratch, that start to finish, and I'll show you exactly how I build high-end agency-style websites for clients. Now keep in mind, I've been paid $10,000 to $20,000 for some of these services, and I'm going to show you exactly how I created these websites. The course is divided up into easy-to-follow chapters and modules and comes with printable workbooks, resource guides, and links to everything discussed and reviewed in the training videos. While it is a little technical, it's all explained in simple terms. There's really no heavy coding necessary. We'll cover a little bit of that. Again, it's all explained in very simple terms and copy and paste. And it almost feels like cheating. It's so easy, but it's taken me years to figure out how all of this works and put together the tools that work well together. Now, I'm using these same exact training tools to teach my new production teams that will be working on my new projects. Now, again, my name is James Gregson, and I own Gregson Studios. I've been working closely with Patrick Voss at VFX for years. And recently, I started working with VFX and created the new VFXcreates.com. Now, I also do all the new VFX promotional and marketing videos. Now, Gregson Studios is moving away from providing services to customers and clients. And what I mean by that is we're not going to be offering web development anymore, television commercials, and things like that. But as part of my new venture, I've started something called the How-To Cafe. And it's thehowtocafe.com. And we've even got a haunted version where we focus on media training for the haunt industry. Now, in the descriptions, there are links to other websites that I've built. Be sure to check out vfxcreates.com. But there's others that I've built that kind of lean towards the more creative in the haunt and entertainment industry. And there is even a live demo of one of the themes that's included in the Killer Layouts extended package. But let's talk about what makes this so valuable. First of all, like I said, you're going to learn WordPress from start to finish. Now you're going to discover coveted agency and studio secrets. You'll be able to work at your own pace. And like I said, training is divided into chapters and modules. It's easy to follow along. The workbooks and checklists are included. And there's hot links to everything we use in the demos. And you'll be able to start your own business, train your own team, learn once, build unlimited websites. That's a big one. And here's another huge one, is you're going to find out how to back up and clone a site once you build it. And this is very, very, very cool. This allows you to put in your time, develop a basic standard WordPress configuration, a WordPress website, and then do what I call deploy it. In other words, you can clone it and in 5 minutes install it on another domain. That is literally being able to completely build and install a website in 5 minutes. From there, you can customize it or have your clients customize it. This is gold, and I'm going to show you how to do it in this training package. Now, you'll also avoid the biggest WordPress pitfalls that all the newbies make. I made them when I first got started, but I'm going to show you how to avoid all of those. You're going to save yourself time, money, and I guarantee you're going to save yourself headaches. And you're going to learn what tools and resources we use, and not only for our clients, but what we use, what I use for my new brands and my new production packages. And there is just so much more. Now let me rip through some of what you're going to learn. You're going to learn working with hosting services, learn hosting control panels, what they mean, where things are, what's important, what you probably shouldn't be touching, registering domain names, what's a DNS, pointing the DNS, domain name control panels, also who we use, who I like to use as far as services for domains, hosting, and who I use for what and when, installing WordPress properly, hidden WordPress tricks, correct configurations, plugin installs and configurations, security, SSL secrets, that's HTTPS, speeding up your website, how to get additional free tech support 24/7, how to back up and clone your websites, I just talked about that, using WordPress and the back-end control panels, working with multiple users, building responsive and mobile-friendly websites, optimizing a website for mobile view, setting up front-end editing, which is very cool, customizing themes, deploying a complete website in 5 minutes. I just talked about that. I cannot stress how important and cool that is. I'm excited about it because it's like a secret that I've held on to that I'm finally like, you know what? It's not going to hurt me to expose that and show people how to do that because I'm not doing the services anymore. I'm not going to be creating competition for myself. You'll learn working with images, how to optimize images. I'm going to show you the differences between pages, posts, projects, and portfolios and how to use them and when to use them. Building a blog, very, very cool. Automating the blog, creating unlimited landing pages, embedding forms, integrating social media, properly utilizing video. That's huge. I'm originally an award-winning video producer. So where to get additional resources, basic SEO, how to supercharge your SEO, where to find cool plugins, what plugins we use, complete automation, and the list goes on. But that is like the basics. Now that was just the WordPress Samurai. That's like the core training for WordPress. Now let's talk about what makes this special and why it's specially tailored for the haunt and attraction industries. Now included with this is these other extended packages. The first one I call the Dark Site Workshops. In this add-on extended package for WordPress Samurai, you'll receive detailed training videos and resources for creating haunt and attraction industry websites. And that's how to spook things up and learn about our website reviews and industry studies. Now, I reviewed what I call the top 100 haunted attraction websites to design these custom packages according to industry best practices. I literally spent weeks going through and finding haunted attraction, haunt websites that I really liked and narrowed that down to 20 that I thought were doing a really good job, that really had, attracted me. They did good SEO. They were in directories. They were easy to find. They were easy to navigate. And then I narrowed that down to the 10 best of those. Great use of visuals. It's just really got me excited. And that is what I used to develop the killer layouts that I'm going to talk about next. The Killer Layouts Pack. If you get a chance, look at Zombie Fest Factory X. Right now, the demo site is on gregsonmedia.com. And that is basically the framework that I put together for the haunt industry. Now, this can be expanded and you can do a ton with this. Now, again, the Zombie Fest Factory X layout is part of the Killer Layouts, and all the other layouts are very similar to this. They cover the gamut of the haunt industry, several of kind of like the main themes, and put together these packages that you can take and rebrand yourself. Now, the Killer Layouts package uses a drag and drop editor that I use on all my new websites, and I'll show you where to license that. Now, that is going to be an additional purchase, and it is only like $99 for a year, but it saves you tons of time and really makes it easy to work on your websites. And I'm going to show you how to install that and how to use it. The next add-on package is called Demon Web Graphics. In this add-on package, we've included libraries of our own exclusively spooky graphics images and backgrounds. These are images and textures and backgrounds that I've created and had in my personal library and in the library of things that we've used for VFX. So we've just kind of packaged all these together and we're licensing to you, and you can use them for whatever you want. You can use them in video, you can use them on the website, you can use them in print. So what is cool about these is this is the only place you can get these. So you're not going to run into, oh, I've seen that stock image before. So it's a great combination to use with your own imagery and stock imagery and things that you can find online. And I'm also going to show you where to get that and what I use. Now, as I've talked to people about what I'm doing, they have literally asked me, why would you do this? Why would you give away all these secrets? And not to sound salesy, but I've been doing this a long time. I've been working with Patrick Voss for years. We've done television pilots together. We've done award-winning independent productions together. And one of the new directions with VFX is the development of specialized training for the pro haunt industry. That goes along with my How-To Cafe. One of the first training products offered exclusively through VFX is WordPress Samurai with the haunt packages. Now, this is also an opportunity for us to quickly develop some more graphics, layout, and useful content for the other training material that's related to the haunt and theme attraction industry. Myself and Gregson Studios is heading away from providing media development services, like I said, and that is like services to clients such as web design, video production, graphic design, photography, motion graphic design, animation, marketing, etc., etc. Now we are heading back into exclusive web content, independent television and film production, and creating our own products and brand development. Now I've recently relocated to Denver, where I'm putting together and building my new studio. So for this reason, I started the How-To Cafe, and that's the howtocafe.com. Just now getting it launched, and that's going to help us fund our new studios and to help friends, existing clients, and associates, as well as train our own new teams. So again, I'm not creating competition for myself. So please check out the WordPress Samurai and the exclusive Haunt Industry Extended Packages. Again, this is a training video series where you're going to learn WordPress and web design from start to finish. This is an agency quality WordPress video training series developed by Gregson Studios and myself that shows all of our tools, techniques, resources, and divulges industry secrets that have been coveted for years. We've kept these as in-house information only for our team members and a few high-ticket clients. So be sure to place your order now before the demand goes up and the price goes up. And if there's something you're looking for in particular, be sure to drop me a line and keep an eye out for some of our new products like the Web Video Ninja. And just like the WordPress Samurai, we've got the Haunt extended packages. For instance, the Dark Ninja, Pro Video Editing Techniques, the Video Graphics Monster, Phantom Video Effects, Shadow Stock, and the Zombie Edit Templates. So pick up your WordPress Samurai and exclusive Haunt Industry extended packages. And I want to thank you for your interest in the How-To Cafe and our cool new training products.